Good afternoon, my dear friends. My name is Olga. I'm an expert in work with children of the Children's Center Baby Club. And today I introduce to you a developing toy busy board of the company WoodlandToys. Every WoodlandToys busy board is not very large wooden plate with thematic image and different elements made of metal, textile and wood. WoodlandToys company produces busy boards of two types. The first type of busy boards helps to form basic household skills of opening and closing. Such type of busy boards suits for working with children for Montessori system. The second type of busy boards consists of a number of different elements which widen the ability of this toy. It has a zipper lock, a lacing, even gears and textile windows. The thematic collection of WoodlandToys busy boards is presented in a large assortment. Above, below, geometric shapes, light and heavy, inside, outside, one and many, large and small, right, left, close, far away, and so on. Especially popular are busy boards made on motifs of Russian folk tales. Bright colors, different pictures and a majority of elements attract child's attention and develop visual perception, which helps the child to explore this toy with great interest. Wooden covering of busy boards is pleasant to touch, that is why they develop child's tactile sensation. Ask your child to find out all functions of busy board toy, and namely active actions with doors, locks, felt curtains, stickers, zipper locks, develop logical thinking, coordination of movements, memory and imagination. Interesting heroes hide behind magic doors, locks and curtains. You can take and play with some of them, then return to their places. This develops fine motor skills, speech, helps to develop independence and cognitive activity. WoodlandToys busy boards will give joy to children playing at home and also bring invaluable benefit to teachers and psychologists in children's institutions.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
We have shown you many ways of using busy boards. You can find more detailed information about using busy boards in methodical recommendation worked out by teachers and psychologists of WoodlandToys company, or download them on the site WoodlandToys.ru. If you want to give your child unusual toy, ask for toy of WoodlandToys company in shops of your city.